Welcome, children. Right, exercise 9.2 based on area of the circle or area of the sector, whatever we have discussed in the circle's introduction. We have seen so many examples till now. How to find out the area of the shaded region, area of the unshaded region, right? Area of the given direct geometrical figure. Right, let me pick some problems, two or three problems from the exercise also, so that you will be able to complete the remaining by yourself. Right, so now coming to third one, first bit. See, find the area of the shaded region in each of the following figures. So let's take the first figure here. So what is there in the first figure? If you try to understand, this is the diameter, right? A square is given, and at each side there is a semicircle, right? Yes, and here this is given to be diameter, is it not? Diameter of the circle. Now taking this as the center, if you draw here, it will be radius. This is radius, this is radius, and this is radius, right? So now what do we observe here? Total distance from this point to this point is given. That means r plus r. Radius plus radius is diameter. Diameter plus diameter is 2 diameter. So what is given here? 42 centimeters means twice the diameter is given. That's all. This is the information which is given. This is what we understood from the information. So we got the radius value automatically. When we get diameter value, we will be getting radius value. Now he is asking to find out the area of the shaded region. How many semicircles are there? 4 semicircles. So 4 multiplied by area of semicircle gives us area of the shaded region. Okay, let's see how to do this one. So as we discussed now, taking this as a point, here this forms radius. So r plus r. So what is the total distance? R, d, r. Together is 42 centimeters, isn't it? From here to here it is r. From here to here it is d. From here to here it is again r. So r plus d plus r, that is 2r plus d. What is 2r? Twice the radius is diameter. Diameter plus diameter is twice the diameter is 42 centimeters. So therefore we will get d is equal to 42 by 2, which is 21 centimeters. Now which implies radius is equal to 21 by 2, diameter by 2 centimeters. So I am leaving it like this. I am not simplifying, so that we can easily calculate like using the fraction value only directly, right? Now area of the shaded region. So what is the area of the shaded region? Here you have 4 semicircles. So 4 times area of each semicircle. Because all are having same radius, the formula will be the same. Pi r square by 2. That is 4 into pi r square by 2. 4 into, in place of pi, 22 by 7. In place of r square, it is 21 by 2. R is how much? 21 by 2 whole square into 1 by 2 as it is. So now on further simplification, what you will get? So 4 with this is 2 square, that will get cancelled. Right, 2 goes 11 times in 22. 7 goes 3 times in 121, and remaining 21 is here. So now 3 into 21, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. For easy calculation I am showing you, like 11 into 63, which is 693 square centimeter, or centimeter square, or centimeter square. So Aditi, Gaurish, Husna, really I am very much disappointed. I thought like you will be doing your work and posting your work. You are not doing that. And Aditi and Husna, they were very regular in showing all their maths work. Now they are not doing. I know Husna has a problem with the mobile. Yes, I accept it. Aditi, you took permission only for few days, like you are out of the station. But now you are supposed to do your work. You are not doing, right? And this is a very important chapter, where this kind of the chapter again you will find in class 10, Abhiram. So don't think that you are in 8th standard and you have so much time. Nothing is there. Almost 8th class is finished. Right? Now you can think of yourself as you are in 9th class. So only one more year is left for you to go for 10th. So everybody from class 8, please be alert. Please be alert and do all the problems. Until unless you do the problem by yourself, you will not be able to understand what we are teaching also. So when you do by yourself, when you understand the concept, then the next concepts will be easy. If you don't understand and if you don't try to do by yourself, there is no point that you will be able to understand what I am writing here. This all will look like Greek and Latin for you if you don't do by yourself, if you don't try to think how and what steps we are writing. Okay, children, so please, right? So take a screenshot of this one. Everyone post your work. So let me take seventh problem here. Area of an equilateral triangle is given 49 into root 3 centimeter square, and in the diagram if you can observe there is an equilateral triangle. So therefore all three angles are equal and each side is of 14 centimeters. You can see that taking this as a center and half of the side of the triangle as the radius, circles are drawn. Okay, so therefore this 7 centimeters is the radius of the circle, right? And now here the question asked is find the area of the portion in the triangle not included in the circles, right? Not included in the circles. Let us see how to solve it. So now here this is how the diagram is. Now what is that we have to find out? The area of that triangle, of course, which is not included in the circle. That means this area I want. That means from the total area of the triangle, you have to subtract some of the areas of these three sectors. Yes, right. So from total area of the triangle, which is given to be 49 root 3 centimeter square, you have to subtract 3 times the sector because all three are of the same size. So you are writing 3 times the area of the sector. So now let us solve how to do it, right? So therefore now area of shaded region, right? This is what which is needed, is it not? We have shaded it, which is equal to 49 root 3 minus 3 times area of the sector. What is the formula for area of the sector? Angle, that is 60 degrees by 360 into area of the circle, right, by r square. So this is the formula for area of sector. So now therefore, now let us write down 49 root 3 minus 3 times of 60. How many times it will go? 6 times. So 1 by 6 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square. What is r? 7. 7 square. Very good. So 49 root 3 minus 3 times of, right, 7, 1, 7 it goes. So now 22 into 7 by 6, right? So now 49 root 3 minus. This 3 goes 2 times here. This 2 goes 11 times. So 11 sevens are 77. So now 3 2s are 2 11s are. Am I right? So 11 sevens are, so 77. Right. Now root 3 value. Root 3 value is 1.17 approximately. I'm sorry. 49 into 1.7117 minus 77. So do this decimal point calculation and then subtract this from here and post me your final answer. Okay, children? So take a screenshot. Write this one also. You can also check the root 3 value. It is 1.71 or 41. Okay, then substitute that value, simplify and post your answer to me. So now see the ninth one. From a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium. We know how to find out the area of the trapezium, okay? So first find out area of the trapezium because height is already given to you and opposite sides are also given. So then you can find out the area of the trapezium. Okay, so once this is done, now the point here is that he had cut a piece of it. He had cut a piece of it like this. That means it's a sector of 1/4 of the circle. So you can write it, either you take 90 by 360 into pi r square, or you can write directly 1/4 pi r square because this is 1/4 the circle. So total area of the trapezium minus 1/4 times of pi r square gives the area of the shaded region or the remaining part of the cardboard. Clear? Yes, substitute and do. And now coming to this part. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field. You know the meaning of grazing, right? So it went to eat the grass. 70 meter by 52 meter. So length of the rectangle is 70 and height is 52 meter and is tethered to one corner by a rope. So therefore it is tied to one corner, at one corner, 21 meter long. So what is the length of the rope? Suppose here it is tied, right, and the rope is 21. So how far the horse can graze like this? Is it not? Horse can graze like this. But only in this field, if you calculate, this part only a horse is able to graze. How much area can it graze? That means this area. Which is this one? Part of a rectangle. So 90 degrees here it is. You know the corner of the rectangle is of 90 degrees. So area of the total rectangle, that is 70 into 52 minus 1/4 of pi r square. Already in the diagram 21 meters radius is given to you. So directly you can substitute as 1/4 into pi r square. Okay. So now everybody, VK Varshita, I know you are out of station. So but after coming, immediately after coming, post me your answers. Right? And all the 8th class children, please feel serious and try to finish the chapter. And now this area of plane figures is totally completed. And start from exercise 1 from this chapter and do every exercise. And if you have any doubts, I repeat it, if you have any doubts or if you want me to teach any problem, please post me the exercise and the problem number so that I can give you another video on that and you can solve the questions. And on Tuesday you have to write slip test in this chapter. Okay. So Abhiram, be alert. Especially maths you are not doing.